Guys, I will be dictating two passages every day, one general and one legal. So subscribe to my channel for latest updates. 5 seconds. In this claimant's appeal filed against the judgment cum award dated August 11, 1998, passed by Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Karnal, for short the tribunal, the question falling for decision is as to whether the accident occurred on account of rash and negligent driving of crane number DIL 7273, herein referred as the offending crane, by Ram Kumar or not. The allegations in the claim application filed under section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 were that on April 29, 1993, Harinder Singh, since deceased, along with his friend Arvind Agarwal, his wife and daughter, was going in a gypsy. The vehicle was being driven by Harinder Singh. It was 6:15 p.m. when the gypsy arrived at ITI Chowk, Karnal. The offending crane carrying damaged oil tanker came at a fast speed from the opposite direction and struck against the gypsy. As a result thereof, the gypsy turned turtle and Harinder Singh was injured and died at the spot. FIR number 308 under sections 279, 337 and 304A of the Indian Penal Code was registered immediately in Police Station City Karnal on the statement of Arvind Agarwal against Ram Kumar. Widow, daughter aged 6 years, son aged 1 year and the mother of the deceased filed claim application under section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 before the tribunal. The tribunal assessed the income of the deceased at rupees 5,000 per month, that is rupees 60,000 per annum, and after deducting 1/3 on account of his self-living expenses, annual dependency was held to be rupees 40,000. Considering the age of the deceased as 32 years, multiplier of 16 was applied and loss of dependency was assessed at rupees 6,40,000. In addition thereto, an amount of rupees 10,000 was assessed towards funeral expenses, that is an amount of rupees 6,50,000 was assessed as compensation. However, the claim application was dismissed on the ground that the claimants failed to prove that the accident had taken place on account of rash or negligent driving of the offending crane by Ram Kumar. In appeal before this court, learned counsel for the appellants has challenged the finding of the tribunal that the accident did not take place on account of rash and negligent driving of the offending crane. The tribunal, while arriving at the above finding, observed that there was variation in the description of the accident narrated in the FIR and the statement of Arvind Agarwal made before the tribunal. According to the tribunal, in the FIR it was mentioned that the offending crane hit the gypsy and as a result thereof the gypsy turned turtle, but in the statement made before the tribunal by Arvind Agarwal, he described that the accidental oil tanker which was being carried on the offending crane hit the gypsy. In the site plan exhibit P1, the gypsy was shown to have turned turtle on the right side of the road, on account of which the tribunal held that the driver of the gypsy deceased was driving it at a fast speed. With the assistance of counsel for the parties, this court has perused the FIR Mark B statement of Arvind Agarwal and the site plan Exhibit P1. In the FIR, the occurrence was narrated to the effect that on the fateful day, that is April 29, 1999, Harinder Singh and Arvind Agarwal were travelling in Gypsy driven by Harinder Singh on its correct side. The offending crane carrying the damaged oil tanker struck against the Gypsy, and as a result of which the Gypsy turned turtle and Harinder Singh died on the spot. In the statement given before the tribunal, similar version was given. The tribunal wrongly construed site plan also. In the site plan, it has been shown that the Gypsy turned turtle on the extreme left side, that is berm of the road. It shows that the Gypsy was being driven by the deceased on its correct side, and that too on the extreme left side. Not only that, on behalf of the respondents, no oral or documentary evidence has been led to show that the driver of the offending crane was not negligent in causing the accident. It is also not in dispute that Ram Kumar was challenged/challaned by the police for causing the accident. That is a corroborative fact which substantiates that Ram Kumar was negligent in driving the offending crane. In this view of the matter, this court sets aside the finding of the tribunal qua the negligence of the driver of the offending crane. It is held that the accident took place on account of rash and negligent driving of the offending crane by Ram Kumar, resulting into that death of Harinder Singh. Coming to the quantum of compensation, learned counsel for the appellants has not challenged the same before this court. He has restricted his submission to the extent that interest on the amount of compensation be also awarded.